Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a colorful Easter egg. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page and we're going to start by drawing the outer shape of the egg, of the Easter egg. And it's a big long line that's egg-shaped, obviously. And it's kind of like an oval, but not exactly. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Take your time, there's no rush. And now back up towards where we started. And we connect it back to the top like that. And that's the outer shape of the Easter egg. Now we're going to do all kinds of colorful shapes and to make it a very colorful Easter egg for Easter. So let's start by doing a line across the bottom half here. So starting right about here, we're going to do a color separation line here. That goes across. Like that. And maybe we'll do a bunch of polka dots down here. So just a bunch of circles. You can kind of put them wherever you want. And we'll color these in a different color than the color behind to make it extra colorful Easter egg. Try to make the circles as perfect as you can. Okay, now let's do some wiggly lines across the middle of the Easter egg. So starting over here, we're going to do a wavy line across. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, or up. And then we'll do the same above that. Up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. And one more starting right about here. Let's keep them kind of evenly spaced. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like that. All right, I'm going to do a couple of small circle dots, polka dots across here. So one here, one here, one here, and one last one right here. And maybe we do some flowers across, 3 flowers across. So we'll do one in the middle now. So we'll start by doing a small circle for the middle of the flower, and then we'll do some petals, 4 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do one over here. So we'll start with a small circle for the middle and we'll do the petals. And lastly, one over here. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. Okay, I'm gonna make my Easter egg color kind of pastel-y with pinks and purples and violets. And we'll do the dots kind of more of a pinkish color. And maybe we do the stripes kind of a bright pink. And we'll do this stripe the same color. And we'll do a lighter pink for the other stripes. Let's do the same pink for the background here, around the flowers and polka dots up here. And we'll make the flowers yellow. And inside the flower, orange. And we'll do these polka dots here orange as well. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.